How to link accounts to your banking profile on your Absa Banking app. Log into the Absa Banking app. Tap menu at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down and tap Account Settings. Tap on the switch next to the required accounts to link to your banking profile. Accept the verification request, then tap Save. You have successfully linked your accounts to your profile. Note: you can link and unlink accounts to your individual profile only. Rewards accounts or accounts where monthly fees are paid from cannot be unlinked. Always log out after using your Absa Banking app.